Hotpoint dishwasher problem solving part 1. So you turn on the dishwasher and the red light comes on. What does that red light mean? Well, this red light means that rinse aid is required. Go to your local shop, Co-op, get the rinse aid. You open the Hotpoint dishwasher. That one's for the tablet. You open the rinse aid. And you pour the rinse aid in. Rinse aid's now full. Close it. So you can see the light is still on. If you turn the machine off, turn the machine back on, and the light is still on. The light will, however, turn off once a cycle has gone through. So the light will stay on for the first cycle. Once you've put in the rinse aid, the light will then turn off when the second cycle is ready.